Hello, this is Vasimula and welcome to my channel. That is Vasimula, graphics and architectural designer. Today I'm going to show you in 3dsmax how to use the ProBoolean tool. But before going to that, do subscribe my channel and also share with your family, friends, fellows, colleagues. Let's jump into 3dsmax. Now take a box. And now this time take cylinder in the front viewport, drag it outside and top viewport, make into the front side. Now I'll tell you how to use the ProBoolean tool. Go to the compound object, select this addition mark, and set parameters, select compound objects and select ProBoolean. It works like a Boolean tool. It subtract like it unite like apply union command. It unite the object. It is like Boolean tool, same doing same work. Now select now why it is not selecting, because I've selected the cylinder. To make any kind of changes to this object rectangle, select that object, start picking, and this time I'm going to intersect. Now the area which are not showing in the scene, you can see it from this to this area it was not showing, so it keep that area, rest of the area of the box and the cylinder they delete, or the circle they delete. Why it is not showing? Because I have inserted the cylinder a little bit inside, so it's not showing that area. As you can see, from this to this area it can't show because I have inserted a little bit inside to this box rectangle or the cube. You can see it, so it can't be shown in the scene perspective view. They will keep this area, rest of the area of cylinder and the rectangle or the box they will delete. Now to make any changes to the object, select that object, make a rectangle. Now make a select a rectangle. Now select ProBoolean, start picking, and this time go with intersect. Now it intersection. Now it's intersect. When intersecting, they will keep that part. Rest of the which was showing, they will delete that. They will keep that part. Now they subtract an object. Start picking, and now it subtract that area, because this area it will be subtracted from this to this area. I have placed inside, so it will subtract this area and make a hole from this to this area, because the area which was not showing of the cylinder, they will keep this part, and it will subtract. In union, both of the box will be united, they become one. Now to this part, to this area, they kept rest of the area they deleted. It make hole. Now merge also do the same as union, it unite. Whatever changes you want to make to any object, select that object and go to ProBoolean. It is same like a Boolean tool. Now this Boolean tool, ProBoolean tool is do same work. Now with attach, the attach, it is start picking and select the object, and it also unite like merge, attach also do the same work. It is same like Boolean tool. It do the same work like Boolean tool work do. Now select the object, ProBoolean, start picking, and this time it also unite, merge, union, this all are do same work. Without that's it for now. I will be back with the next tutorial. Till that, take care of yourself, but do subscribe my channel